Okay, there was a lot of confusion yesterday. A lot of confusion. Many people were selecting historical figures outside of the Middle Ages. We are studying the Middle Ages. We are studying feudalism. We had been all week. We read a chapter last week. I read it aloud to you each day. Make sure your person is in the Middle Ages. If you don't know where to find that, you can go to Google Classroom and you can pick any of the days from last week, which I'm showing you right now, and click the chapter that was attached. Just like I'm showing you right now. Historians divide the Middle Ages into three periods. The early Middle Ages lasted from about 476 to 1000. The High Middle Ages lasted from about 1000 to 1300. The Late Middle Ages lasted from about 1300 to 1450. You could have also Googled it. Middle Ages, right here. Make sure you are using your resources, okay? You have Google, you have the internet. You need to know how to use it. So right now, make sure that your person was alive during the Middle Ages and contributed during the Middle Ages. For example, Christopher Columbus technically was born in the Middle Ages, but what he did was not during the Middle Ages. He found America, the Americas, in 1492. That would be outside of the late Middle Ages by a little bit. And he is not really a contributor to the Middle Ages. So make sure that whatever person you chose was alive and contributed during the Middle Ages. Okay? That's what you have to do today. Attendance form. What block are you in? Also, some people are messing up the blocks. Obviously, I know what blocks you're in, but it just creates more of a hassle for me. So please select your correct block. We have another would you rather question. Today is would you rather get away with a lie or be able to tell if anyone is lying? And then, like I just said with Christopher Columbus, you have to answer, is the person you chose alive and contributing during the years between 476 and 1453? Check before you answer this. For example, Christopher Columbus sailed to the Americas in 1492, so he wouldn't work. If you selected no, you must pick a new person, okay? So make sure your person was alive and contributing during the Middle Ages. Also, you are doing your research on a Google document. Well, you're using the internet and you're using resources to get your information. You need to put it on a Google Doc, and it needs to be 500 words. That's about 2 pages, okay? And that will be submitted on a Google document tomorrow, Wednesday. That will be your attendance tomorrow, submitting the Google document. It is due by the end of Wednesday, meaning tomorrow you have time to work on it as well as today, all right? In addition to that, we're going to do a quick Google Classroom check-in because there was so much confusion. So go ahead and click the link at the top of Google Classroom. It's in the banner right up here. Click that link and you can go ahead and join the Google Meet at the start of your class time. Period 1, block 1, 8 a.m., block 2, 8:55, block 5 at 11:40, and block 7 at 1:30, okay? Good luck. You're continuing research, live and contributing during the Middle Ages.